Let's learn how to delete a repost on TikTok. This is a very simple process, and I will show you how to do it in just a few steps. If you want to see how, stay until the end of the video. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Once you are sure it is the account from which you want to delete the repost, we can proceed. The next thing you need to do is click on the option located in the bottom right corner of the screen called Profile. When your profile page opens, you will see 5 options arranged in a row. You need the option in the middle, which is a shuffle symbol. Click on that option, and it will open a page with all the videos you have reposted. You need to find the video from which you want to delete the repost. After you have found it, click on it. When the video opens, above the creator's name on the left side of the screen, there will be a button that says, You Reposted. Click on that button. When you click the button, a small menu will open where you will see your profile name, and next to it will be a button that says, Reposted. All you need to do is click on that Reposted button. When a menu opens with 2 options, Cancel and Remove Repost, you need to select the Remove Repost option. Click on it, and you have successfully deleted the repost on TikTok. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.